Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel scheduled ride on Lyft. So in order to cancel your scheduled Lyft ride, the first thing to do is to open the Lyft application from your app drawer. Once you open up the Lyft application, if you've previously scheduled a ride, you will be able to see the calendar icon at the top right hand corner. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be able to see your scheduled ride list. To cancel a scheduled Lyft ride, tap on Cancel Ride option. Click on Cancel on the next page and you will then be able to cancel a scheduled Lyft ride using your Lyft ride on your Lyft application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.